right, everybody, here we go. Here's the ingredients. It's super easy, a handful of ingredients. Most of these ingredients are just for the crumb topping and the base layer. We just make a batch of that and we split it in half. Part of it goes in the bottom and then sprinkle it on top. And for the dates, there's actually, I don't know if you make Datesquare a lot, but there's actually no need to sweeten the dates. Dates are extra sweet on their own. They're super yummy and delicious, and no need to add sugar. So do yourself the favor and spend your Christmas calories elsewhere. I like to use medjool dates, but any dates will work fine. And all we do is put those in a pot with water and boil them down and mash them with the fork as we go. So let's get making our crumb topping. So I forgot to mention, and it wasn't listed here, but we are actually going to use half flour and half of our oat flour that we made. It just adds a little bit more fiber, a little bit more nutrition than just plain unbleached flour does.